Hello, welcome back to Leumastudios. In this section, we are going to be looking into how to draw an interior tangent of two circles of different diameters. We're going to have two circles with a tangent on them. So we are given the radius of the first circle to be 25 millimeters and the radius of the second circle as 10 millimeters, and the distance between the line, which is the center of both circles, is going to be 55 millimeters. So the first thing to do is to draw the center line for the two circles. This is an extensive horizontal line to draw the two circles. So for the first circle, we have a radius of 25 millimeters. So we're going to be making use of our compass to measure the radius of 25 millimeters. So at any point on the line, we can draw our circle. Okay, so after drawing the circle, the next thing to do is to mark the point AB, which is point A from this point, and then to locate the point B, we are going to measure a distance of 55 millimeters to locate the center of the second circle, which has a radius of 10 millimeters. So from here, we're going to mark the point 55, that's 5.5 centimeters. So we'll mark it as our point B. So on point B, we're going to draw the radius using the radius. So on point B, using the radius of 10 millimeters, we're going to draw the second cycle. So now we have our big circle with a radius of 25 and our small circle with a radius of 10 millimeters. Okay, so after drawing the two circles, with the first one as 25 millimeters radius and the second one to be 10 millimeters of radius, then we have the distance apart as AB, which is 55. The next thing to do is to bisect the point AB and get the center line. After getting the center line, we draw a semicircle. So to do that, I'm going to bisect our line AB, come to B, bisecting the distance AB. So we have our point of intersection to be this and this. We're going to join them together to get the middle of point A and B. Then after getting the midpoint between A and B, the next thing is to draw a semicircle from the midpoint, which is denoted as point C. So from this middle point, put our compass on point A, so we draw through to point B. So that's the second thing. And the third thing to do after drawing the semicircle is to follow through with our formula R plus R. So for us to construct our interior tangent, let me put it as interior tangent. Our formula is R plus R. So we have our bigger R to be 25 millimeters plus our small r to be 10 millimeters, and we have a sum of 35 millimeters. So with this information, we measure a radius of 35 millimeters on our compass. Radius of 35 millimeter with our compass. Then we come to point A, which is the bigger circle, and mark an arc touching the semicircle. So the point at which the arc touches the semicircle is denoted as point D. So at point D, we are going to join it to A. We're going to join point A and point D together. So point D to point A, we get a line which is denoted as NA. NA. So we have a line here which is NA. So from point NA, what we are going to do is that we draw another line on point B on the second circle, which is the smaller one, with the line here ensuring that it is parallel to point B. So we are extending the line here on point B, ensuring that it is parallel to NA. So to do that, we're going to be making use of our set scale and our ruler. So we're going to place the longest part of our set scale on the line NA, and then we place our ruler behind it. So we ensure that the ruler is stagnant, is stationary on the paper, while the set square can move freely. So you ensure that the edge of the set square aligns with the line, which is NE, and you extend it downwards to point B and draw a parallel line to it. So at this point we have point N. So that's NA, which is parallel to NB. So for us to draw interior tangent, we have to extend this line NA downwards. So we're going to extend NA downwards to get the point at which it intercepts it for the interior circle. So from point E and point F, to which they intercept the circumference of both circles, we're going to join the two lines together to get our tangent. So with this, we have successfully drawn our interior tangent using the formula R plus R. Thank you very much.